Court rejects Nnamdi Kanu's fresh bail request. Good day, my people. Welcome to the news channel. And the headlines for today reads: Court rejects Nnamdi Kanu's fresh bail request. Listen to the news in full. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on Monday dismissed the fresh application the detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, filed to be released on bail pending the determination of the treasonable felony charge the federal government preferred against him. The court, in the ruling that was delivered by trial Justice Binta Nyako, said it was not minded to exercise its discretion in favor of the defendant, whom it said jumped the bail it earlier granted him. Justice Nyako noted that those who stood surety for the defendant had, after he escaped from the country, approached the court and applied to be discharged from the case. He held that the sureties in their applications claimed that they were not aware of the whereabouts of the defendant, a situation that forced the court to order the forfeiture of their 100 million naira bail bonds. According to the trial court, the issue is currently pending before the Court of Appeal. It held that, having refused Kanu's request for bail on several occasions, the only option available to him was to take the matter before the appellate court. Likewise, the court refused Kanu's request to be either transferred to prison custody or placed on house arrest. However, it ordered the Department of State Services (DSS) to always grant Kanu access to his team of lawyers, not exceeding 5 persons on every visiting day. It ordered that Kanu must be given a clean place to consult with his lawyers at the DSS detention facility, adding that he must be granted access to a doctor of his choice. Justice Nyako also warned that any attempt by Kanu's legal team to file a similar application before the court would be regarded as a gross abuse of the judicial process. You have an option of appeal. Please exercise your right of appeal, the trial judge added. It will be recalled that Kanu was first arrested in Lagos on October 14, 2015, upon his return to the country from the United Kingdom. Justice Nyako had on April 25, 2017, granted him bail on health grounds after he had spent 18 months in detention. Upon the perfection of his bail conditions, he was on April 28, 2017, released from the Kuje prison. However, midway into the trial, the IPOB leader escaped from the country after soldiers invaded his country home at Afara Ukwu Ibeku in Umuahia, Abia State, an operation that led to the death of some of his followers. Kanu was later rearrested in Kenya on June 19, 2021. An extraordinarily renditioned back to the country by security agents on June 27, 2021. Following the development, the trial court on June 29, 2021 remanded him in custody of DSS, where he remained till date. On April 8, 2022, the court struck out 8 out of the 15-count charges that FD preferred against him on the premise that they lacked substance. Likewise, the Abuja division of the Court of Appeal on October 13, 2022, ordered Kanu's immediate release from detention, even as it quashed the charge against him. The appellate court said it was satisfied that FG flagrantly violated all known laws when it forcefully rendered Kanu from Kenya to the country for the continuation of his trial. It held that such arbitrary use of power by the Nigerian government divested the trial court of jurisdiction to further try the appellant. While deciding the appeal, the Supreme Court on December 15th, 2023 vacated the judgment of the appellate court and gave FG the nod to try the IPOB leader on the subsisting 7-count charge. And my people, that's the news for today. Nnamdi Kanu is currently still undergoing trial, and his request for bail was not granted. Also, it was stated that any further attempt to request for bail will be an abuse on the judicial process. Don't forget to like this video, comment under this video, and subscribe to this channel to get more news from this channel.